Hi, my name is Anthony Myers. I'm here at our showroom today to talk about sliding doors. Sliding doors are a good alternative to a pocket door in the sense of not having to do any framework. Sliding doors are typically called barn doors, and everyone has in the back of their head that they come from a farmhouse. One of our suppliers that we use here locally in Kansas, they make custom barn doors. So whenever we're going through and designing your space, we'll go through and make sure that you're not getting that traditional kind of farmhouse barn door look. One of the things with sliding doors and making them custom to the project is there's no restrictions as far as sizing. We can make them any height, any width that we want. One of the unique things with sliding doors that we do quite a bit is soft close open and soft close close. So one of the things with the traditional sliding doors is you have a slamming open and a slamming shut. Doing a soft close open and a soft close close, you're able to have a smoother gliding door. And another thing that we do, we use an upgraded sliding track. So it's not as loud as your typical track whenever it comes to opening and closing your sliding door. As I mentioned, a full-length mirror is a huge thing that we do on the back of the sliding doors. A lot of these bathrooms don't have the space for a full-length mirror, so you're able to incorporate that into a sliding door. With sliding doors, there's two different ways of incorporating and finishing them out. One of the things that we do quite a bit is we'll remove the casing on the opening and we'll drywall it to where you don't have any open wood casing around it. You can also put it over a traditional cased door. So there's two different ways of finishing out a barn door as far as the jamb and the interior jamb of the barn door. One of the things that we do quite a bit is we'll remove the existing casing on the sliding door and we'll wrap it in drywall. So what that does is it gives it kind of a clean, sleek look from the outside bedroom into your bathroom. And it looks really good. Another alternative to finishing the inside jamb of a barn door is going over your traditional casing and your jamb. Basically what that looks like is we'll install the barn door 2 inches wider than your existing casing. That way whenever the barn door is closed, you don't have casing exposed on the outside footprint of the door. Those are a couple different alternatives that you can do to finishing out the inside jamb of your door.